Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Amazon Fire TV or Amazon Fire TV Stick tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Amazon Fire TV. So this can be useful if you're looking to change the language on your Amazon Fire TV, but also it can be useful if for some reason the language has changed and you're trying to get it back to English. So I'll go through the menus and describe everything, so even if you can't read the language, you'll still be able to change your language back to English. All right, so to get started, from the home screen of our Amazon Fire TV, simply scroll all the way to the right until we get to the gear. Once you're on the gear, simply scroll down to the second level and then go all the way to the right until you get to Preferences. Preferences should look like a couple lines with some dials on it. So go ahead and select Preferences with the center button on your controller. Now that we're in the Preferences section, simply scroll down until we get to Languages, which will be the second from the bottom. So you'll only have one option below it. Go ahead and select Languages. Now in here, we just need to select our desired language. On my Fire TV, English is at the top. So if you're looking for it, scroll up. But if you're looking for any other language, simply find that language, select it, and then that will be the new language on your Amazon Fire TV. So I'm just going to go back to English, select that. Now that we've selected our desired language, you should see the menus instantly change to that language. And now we can go back to the home screen of our Fire TV by selecting the home button on our controller and start enjoying it. All right, so that's how you change the language on your Amazon Fire TV stick. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Amazon Fire TV tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.